Like that's the problem that a lot of parents feel is how do you teach your kids about food without having like a reverse effect
when they're
and like
gone,
damaging them.
When they're on their own, they're like, oh, now I get to eat what I want.
Yeah. Yeah. Basically it could be as simple as the worst way to go about it to demonstrate what I'm talking about is if your idea of good parenting about healthy food habits was to constantly tell your kids at dinner, you don't need more. If you eat more, you'll get fat. What do you think that's going to do to them? What do you think they're going to be like when they're older?
Yeah.
That's not going to help. That's going to have a reverse psychology effect. That's like the extreme example. I don't know. I haven't figured out the best way to teach my kids about healthy food habits.
Yep.
I'm still working on it.